What's up, risk managers? My name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. And boy, is she one hell of a drug. And welcome to today's NA meeting, where we will discuss the economic data for the week, the day's technical analysis, the trading opportunities we took on today's stream, and build a game plan for tomorrow's price action. And if you haven't done so already, you can show your support by subscribing to the channel. And with that said, let's jump into the charts now. This is tomorrow's data. Be mindful that all times are in Central Time. And we have a big block of news scheduled for tomorrow, so let's jump into it. At 7:30, we have this block of news with a focus on continuous jobless claims, goods and services, and trade balances, and we have Fed Hawker speaking. At 9:30, we have crude news, and from 11:15 to 6:30, we have a block of Fed speakers. Now, it's never recommended to trade during volatile price action, but if you choose to trade during this time, then understand you're playing a game of chance with your trading account. And now that we know what to expect, let's jump into the charts and create a game plan for tomorrow's price action. This is the block of price action that we traded during today's stream. And in last night's NA meeting, I spoke about this area being a potential area of resistance. And after we got this Powell pump, price traded through it. But the bulls fell in to take it higher, and price pushed down into this area of support. Now, price is in a very interesting spot right now. It's literally in the middle, and it can go either way. Technically, we ran into major resistance right here. So price could see a big move down, but we've made higher highs on the way up, which could suggest that price could be moving higher. Now, if price does continue higher overnight, this is the area that I'm going to be looking for price to push up into. And once price trades into this area, this is where I believe the bears will come in to try to push price lower, possibly retesting this area of support. Now, if the bulls fail to take this higher and the bears are successful taking price downward, I do see that the bears will have trouble in this area of support. And if they do break this low right here, the bulls would have to defend this area at 190, because if the bulls fail to protect this low, price will be continuing downward. It's obvious that right now, the bears are slowly regaining control of this market, with Powell giving his views on the economy and the policies that shape it. The one thing that I continuously hear that Powell states is that they will meet their goal at 2%, which could mean if the data does not give them confidence to have that first rate cut in June, we possibly may not get a rate cut until early next year. But that is just speculation. And with that said, let's jump into an ES chart. This is an ES chart, and in last night's NA meeting, we talked about price trading up into this area and the bears coming in to take price lower. And just like the NQ, price has found support at this area of support. Now, this doesn't trade as volatile as the NQ, and it moves in structure. I doubt that the ES will make big moves without major news. So I believe going into tomorrow, price will probably consolidate in this range. But if we do get a breakout lower, I do expect the bulls to come in and defend this low. And if price does continue higher, I do expect the bears to come in and protect these highs. But again, the ES doesn't move as volatile as the NQ. So my bias going into tomorrow is that we just trade within this range. But remember, this is just a game plan for tomorrow. I want to see the price action in pre-market, and that will determine my bias going into tomorrow's stream. Because we don't trade what we think, we trade what we see. Because the price action writes the story, the charts tell the story, and if you listen and trust in the setup, then you'll have a story. And here's my story. So I'm ending the day being up $1,800. We caught the big move going up, and we also caught the big move going down. We caught over 500 points during the stream today. The day was definitely a good day. And we'll continue this winning streak going into tomorrow. Now, we have a lot of major news, and I do expect whippy price action going back and forth. But I'm gonna stick to the game plan. I'm gonna enter in areas of support and try to hold positions until we get to resistance. And with that said, That's all I have. If you're enjoying these breakdowns and want insight on trading the Nasdaq intraday, then subscribe to the channel and join our live stream where me and my trading partner provides intraday analysis in real time. Our current goal is building a community, and if you're tired of missing the best trades in the Nasdaq intraday, then join the live stream, join the Discord, join the risk managers in the chat, and we appreciate your support as we grow. As we wrap up, remember the risk manager's creed. Trading involves risk and demands careful analysis and capital preservation. And we can do that by practicing sound risk management. Every trade tells a story. Make sure you write that story in your trading journal because our psychology is all over these charts. And as always, my name is Nasdaq Anonymous, and I'm addicted to the NQ. Stay green out there. Peace.